Hey again, this is Sarah from sarahdesign.com, and today I'm going to show you how to turn a square image into a big, beautiful, wide image like this to make space for your text on the other side. Welcome back, everybody. So you probably saw my other YouTube video. If you didn't, check it out, where I put text behind the photo in this banner image. And I got the original image off of Unsplash, and it looked like this. Now you might be running into this issue as well, where you have had professional photos taken of you and they are in a vertical format, and then you want to fit it into a wide banner and you're like, what do I do? What about this big empty white space? So I'm going to show you how to fix that. This is going to be a super quick video. So what you want to do is take your original image, which is this one, and go ahead and copy it. I always make a duplicate just in case I make a mistake. I'm going to close the first one. This has a little icon on it because it is a smart object. That is something I can explain in a different video, but what you want to know right now is you need to rasterize this image, which means it's not going to be a smart object anymore. So I'm on a Mac, I hold down Control and I click on the name, and then I go down and find rasterize layer. So now it is flattened and rasterized. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our little square tool from up in the tool panel for Photoshop, and then we want to grab some yellow from this side and we're going to extend it out the full width over the white, but we don't want to get this little bit of dark spot up here, so we aren't going to grab that far over. So what I'm going to do is I'm coming just inside. So it's not on the white, it's just inside the yellow and kind of close to that dot. And then I go up to Edit, Content Aware Scale, and we're going to get our mouse over the middle left and hold down Shift and then drag. And hit Return and then Command D to deselect, or you can go up to Select and click Deselect. Now it does look a little bit affected from being stretched like that, but it does a better job than if you just copied that rectangle and then stretched it. The content aware scale does a better job of that. So now that you have this all filled with this yellow gold color, what about these spots up here? We want to go up there and quickly fix those. So what we want to do is go up to this tool. It's up here. It is the Spot Healing Brush tool. Grab it, and I don't know if you can see my cursor here, but it's actually just the right size, but if I needed to make that tool be a little bit bigger, I would hit my right bracket on my keyboard. It gets really big, or I can make it smaller by hitting my left bracket. I can also do that by going up to the top menu where it says 70 right here, and you can actually change the size by dragging the slider. But it's already a good size, so all I have to do now is paint over that area, and it disappears. This is also really great for any blemishes you might have on your face. So if you had a zit that day when you got your professional photos taken and the photographer didn't edit that out for you, you can pop in with that tool and get rid of it. And that's all there is to it. This is one of the beautiful things about using Photoshop, is that you have this full control of modifying your photo and making it look exactly the way you want. I hope you found that helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe so you get my other videos and hear more of my tips about Squarespace design and using Photoshop to help you in those efforts.